Yeah, welcome you guys to the session, guys. I welcome you all to the session, guys. So these these are London live analysis, guys. So this London live analysis. So I'm gonna be starting right now. So these are London live analysis, guys. This is London live analysis. So let me send this link to my group so that we can start. Okay, so this is an London live analysis. Tell me guys where you're watching us from, guys. Tell me where you're watching us from, guys. So this is a London market analysis. This is a London live analysis, guys. And I'm gonna be showing guys like my prediction for today on the market, guys. We're gonna be checking together on the London live analysis together. Yes, guys. So you can see, so I can set also my, let me remove the, maybe you can set the 13 EMA with the Bollinger Band. So let me set the Bollinger Band here. And remove this, let me set the Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band, I want the Bollinger Band. Because Bollinger Band really works well. So what am I waiting right now here? What am I waiting right now here? So on my screen here, I am waiting. I think guys here. So I am waiting here for the market to touch my upper band. That's my area of interest. So my area of interest is I need to wait for the market to touch my upper band so that I can consider a selling market. So I need to wait for the upper band. So you can see here right now. So this is called liquidity sweep. For someone who is joining us for the first time, so we are talking about liquidity sweep in the market. Are you together, guys? So we are talking about liquidity sweep in the market. So what is a liquidity sweep in the market? So a liquidity sweep is whereby the market, maybe I can show you what we normally look for the entries. Let me just show you from this example. So right now we are not trading, and right now we are not focusing on we are not focusing on the 13 EMA or something. We are focusing on session liquidity sweep. So this is what I normally look on a daily basis on the London Open. So I normally look for something called liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweep. I think maybe you have maybe heard of this, maybe somewhere. It's called liquidity sweep. So how does this liquidity sweep works in the market? This is what I normally look for entries. So let's say this is the high of yesterday. So this is the high of yesterday and this is the low of yesterday. I think. So this is the low of yesterday and this is the high of yesterday. I think, guys. So I want to show you guys how I look for my entries using the Bollinger Band. So Bollinger Band really works well on liquidity sweep. Like it follows rules of liquidity sweep. Bollinger Band. I think, guys. So this is the high of yesterday. This is the low of yesterday. So what the market will do, guys? You see. So let's say the market is moving like this on the high of yesterday and the low of yesterday, like this, or session, guys. So there's a likelihood when the market opens is going to break this. So, and most traders will tend to chase this. Most traders will tend to chase this breakout. And this is a trap, guys. That's what it's called, liquidity sweep trap. Maybe I can add here trap. I think. Let's go like trap. So this breakout, for me, I don't normally take a sell. I don't normally take this buy. But new traders, they'll tend to buy here. I think New traders will tend to buy here. Or maybe they'll say, oh, this is a breakout, this is a breakout. Let me look for buy, let me look for buy. This is not a breakout. But if you are trading the liquidity sweep, this is not an entry. I think, guys, it is not an entry if you're looking for the liquidity sweep. So this, and also it applies on the cells here. Most of the times they tend to break big red candle. You'll see a very big red candle like this. This doesn't apply. So whenever you see this, most new traders, they will tend to sell here. And you can just imagine institutional traders are looking here for buys, guys. And you are selling, you can just imagine. You are selling. You are selling, and institutions are looking for buys. You see, like you're going against the trend. You see this? They'll say, oh, these are breakout, these are breakout, these are breakout. Most of them will tend to buy with a big candle. Now you will think like, oh, it's a breakout, it's a breakout. Let me buy. Then all of a sudden, you see the market reverse. I think you see the market will start to reverse. Then again, if you enter a sell here, then the market again will start buying. Then it will start to confuse you, like, oh, what's going on? Like, am I doing the right thing? Or maybe I can look for different strategies. That's what people say. That's what people look for. Let me look for different strategies. Yeah, tell me, guys, where you're watching us from. Tell me, guys, where you're watching us from, guys. Tell me, guys, where you're watching us from. And also, if you are learning something. And also, if you're learning something, or if you're getting me clear, guys. I think. So, let me show you something. Let me show you something here. So, Bollinger Band really works well with this. Bollinger Band really works well. Like, whenever the market is going to sweep liquidity at the low of Asia, that's when like this example here. I want us guys to understand this. Are you seeing something here? See what's happening here? Let me remove this Bollinger Band first. So I think this was the area of interest where they normally trap traders with the trap. I think these guys, I think this level, oh, they were really trapped. Yeah, you can see. There's some people are saying, oh, these are breakout, the market is going down. Maybe this week. I think this week. Yeah, there's some people are thinking like, oh, let me buy this breakout, the market is going down. Because before we had a week, we had a long body like this. Are you together, guys? Like we had a long red body on the low side. But see what happened? The market reversed instantly. Boom! And the market went up. So who are trapped here? Of course, retail traders. Of course, they are retail traders who are trapped. So that's why it's really, really important to understand the market structure. I think, guys, it's really, really important to understand the market structure. Here, people have been trapped here. And this applies to every day. Let me show you guys. This goes to every day. See what happened here. I want you guys to see. We can remove this. I think this. Now tell me. Tell me, guys. See this breakout? See this big green candle here? Now there's some people saying, oh, let me buy this trade. Let me buy now. It's a good trade. I think someone might say like, oh, let me buy. it's really a good trade. Then all of a sudden, boom, you are trapped. Yeah, tell me guys, are you watching us from? Tell me guys, where are you watching us from, guys? Yeah, so guys, we'll be doing this session, guys, every day from 11 a.m. guys, from not 11, from 10. So I had to do this from 10 because yesterday we had a daylight change, guys. Yesterday we had a daylight change. So we have been used to London trading, London open at what time? We have been used every time London is opening at 11 a.m. But from today till October, from today till October, London market will be opening at 10 a.m. Are you together, guys? Yeah. So every day we'll be having this session from 11 a.m. from 10 a.m. guys in the morning. I think. So you can see this trap. People have been trapped here. Oh, see this. Now, if someone was able, yes, Faith, thank you. Yeah, Faith, hi. If someone was able to enter by here, that was really a trap. That was really a trap. Yeah, hello, Faith. Yes. So here, guys, we are here, guys, and we are here to kill the market, guys. We are here to learn to understand the market structure. We are here to learn how to trade the right way. I think, guys, we are here to learn how to trade the right way, not gambling way, guys. We are not here to gamble the market. We are here to trade the right way as a professional trader. And in the market, we are looking at a specific level, guys. We are looking at a specific level of the market so that you can buy or sell. So currently, we are looking for London Open. We are analyzing market for London Open, guys. Maybe I can add up another. I think, guys. So we are here to learn about how to trade the London Open. Yeah, most of us, maybe you have been used to trading gold during the Asian market, but also you can learn how to trade you can learn how to trade the London market. Yeah, for those who don't know, for those who don't have the trading view, this is the trading view, guys. This is the market for trading view. So I'm going to be showing you right away right now. So let me set I want GBPUSD. So I'm going to be setting GBPUSD currently. So let me set a GBPUSD. Let me set GBPUSD, guys. Yeah, in this business, guys, you don't complicate things. Like, you don't need to complicate things. Like, you just need to, guys, you just need. Yes, Nancy and Summer from Nairobi at work. All right. So we are here, guys. We are here. So I'm going to be setting here GBPUSD. See what's happening here. So I want to show you guys like what's happening here right now. Yeah, tell me what's happening here. People are being trapped here. People are being trapped here. I think people are being trapped right now here. Now retail traders up, they are buying. Oh, maybe they are saying, oh, it's a breakout. It's a breakout. Can you see here? It's a breakout. Maybe someone is saying, can't you see? Can't you see it's a breakout? The market has broken the high. But me, I'm thinking the opposite. I'm thinking the opposite part of it. For me, I'm thinking like, oh, this thing, like the way I'm thinking right now, I'm thinking, oh, this might be a trap. Yeah, this thing might be a trap. This is what I'm thinking right now. Like, this thing, it might be a trap. So I can't just randomly buy. So that's why, guys, whenever you're trading, guys, like most of the times, because I've been trading for a while, like what I can tell you guys, most breakout strategies, most breakout strategies, most of it fails. Yeah, most of it fails a lot. Breakout, because the market makers, they normally use for manipulation. I think mostly normally use for manipulation, the market. So you can see the Bollinger Band, the market, it has touched the up Bollinger Band. Like guys, like if you understand how Bollinger Band works, like it will remove 90% of your losing trades. 90% of your losing trades will go away, guys. It will go away, guys. 90% of your losing trades will go away. If you understand the Bollinger Band, like the way it is. This Bollinger Band, like it follows the volatility of the market. I think, guys, like Bollinger Band follows the volatility of the market. So if you understand that Bollinger Band, and also the Bollinger Band normally acts as a support and resistance. Mark those words, guys. Like you can mark it, guys. Like Bollinger Band really, it acts as a support and resistance. That's the key important thing about Bollinger Band. For me, like for all the indicators that I trade, I like only moving average and Bollinger Band. Those are my best moving average indicators to trade. For me, I don't use mostly indicators. I use mostly trend lines, and I'm going to be showing you right now trend lines and also Bollinger Band. So Bollinger Band, it helps me to know if liquidity has been swept. Yeah, I think that is the most important thing about the Bollinger Band for me that I normally use. Like it helps me to know if people have been swept, people have been trapped. No. So here, kuna some new traders right now. They are saying, oh, let's buy. Yeah, guys, you can help me like the live, guys. Guys, you can help me like the live so that it can reach so many people, guys. Yeah, if you're inside, guys, you can help me like the live so that it can reach so many people, guys. I think, guys. Yeah, but long time ago, guys, I could trade this. Breakout buy. I think, guys, like long time ago, I could trade this breakout, guys. I could trade like this breakout buy. But right now, I am matured and I know how the smart money. Have you ever heard of something called? Maybe I can show you something here. I think maybe you have heard something called. Let me just show you something here. So this was the gold strategy, guys. For those who don't know the strategy for gold that we normally trade, so we have changed, guys. We are not waking up at 1 a.m. at 2 a.m. We are not waking up at 2 a.m. We are waking up at what time? At 1 a.m. Yeah, because change of 1 hour before, 1 hour back. I think, guys, we are 1 hour. Now it's 1 hour. So maybe if you don't have the plan for gold, maybe you can take a screenshot of this, guys. You can take a screenshot of this, then maybe, yeah, take a screenshot of this, guys. If you don't have the live, if you don't have the trend following strategy. So this is a trend following strategy, guys. The trend following strategy, which we normally trade at what time, guys? Yeah, at 1 a.m. 1 a.m. Yeah. Previously, it has been at 2 a.m., but currently it is 1 a.m. Yeah. Hope you are together, guys. Okay. So let me wrap this first. Let me wrap this so that let me wrap this, guys. Okay. What I was saying. So what I was telling you, I don't know what I was telling you guys. Okay, Bollinger Band. I was telling you about the bands. So this band, I like it bands a lot. I really like these bands because if you understand it, guys, you can be a very profitable trader like instantly. If you understand these bands. I think this band. So this is a band. So this band, it's normal like this. I think. Then in the middle line, we have a middle line down here, moving down in the middle here, like this. We have in the middle line here. What is this middle line? So this middle line is called 20 EMA. Guys, I want you guys to understand this. It's called a 20 EMA. 20 EMA. I think, guys. So this lower band here, you can see here, it is called lower band. Maybe I can use a different color. It's called lower band. Lower band. Higher. Let's continue. What about the upper? Then we have the upper band here. I think, guys. So, guys, if you have a question, you can just type on the comments. Then I'm gonna answer you, guys. If you have maybe a question, you can just type on the comments. Then I'm gonna answer you, guys. I think, guys. So we have the upper band and the lower band. So this upper band, it acts as a support here. This one acts as a support. This region is act as a support. I think, guys. Then the upper band acts as a resistance. Just simple like that. If you understand this, then you're gonna become a profitable trader like instantly. Now you have this. So now you understand that the upper band acts as a support, as a resistance. The lower band acts as a support. Now, you can just be waiting for the candlesticks. So if let's assume this line, maybe I can assume, which color can I use to assume the candlesticks? Maybe this color. Is this color? So this color is a candlesticks. If the candlestick goes, then touches the upper band like this. So let's say that's the upper band. The market has gone up and it has touched the upper band. So what should you do, guys? If the market has gone up and has touched the upper band, so here you should be looking to sell. Here, you should be looking to sell here. Let me confirm first if yeah. See what's happening. I was telling you the right things, guys. It's a trap. See, all those people who have been looking for sales are now for buys, are now trapped, are now confused. I think. Okay, let's continue. So as we wait for this trade to enter, maybe I can explain to you guys. We wait for yes, true. Yeah, it's not 13 MA, it's 20 MA. This is a 20 MA on the, but also we don't have any difference. I think we don't have any difference. 13 and 20, no difference at all. Yeah, no difference at all. Okay. Now we're just waiting for this entry to close below the 20 MA so that you can enter a sell, guys. Are you together, guys? So that you can enter a sell together. Okay, let me show you how these things works. So when this market goes to the upper band here, then this market goes down like this and be able to close below the middle line like this. Now I can say, oh, it's a confirmation to sell now. So first confirmation is what, guys? First confirmation is wait for the market to touch the upper band. That is our first confirmation pass. If the market it does not touch the upper band, no trading. No trading that day. Just simple like that. That day, no trading at all. I think, guys. Yeah, guys, you can help me like the live can reach so that it can reach so many people, guys. I think, guys, like no trading at all, no trading at all. Just simple like that. So here, when the market touches the upper band, then it tells me, oh, the market is now, we are having a confirmation sell. We're having a confirmation sell. So for me to enter sell, I need to wait for the market to close below the middle line, this middle line, which is the 20 mm. So that I can say, oh, it's a buy, it's a sell now. Then, same scenario on a buy market. So on a buy market, the market might come down, 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 down. Then on the lower band here, some people normally take profits on the lower band because if you don't take a profit, the market will reverse. Or you just have a fixed take profit. So here, the market might do like this on the resistance here. Then you might have a candle like this. I think like that. Then all of a sudden you see the market start going up. So here, so don't enter a buy here. I think, guys, don't enter buy here. Here you'll be trapped. Yeah, don't enter the market immediately. When the market touches the support, don't. So we need to have more confirmation first again. Yeah, we need to have more confirmation. So what was my next confirmation? My next confirmation was candle to close above 20 EMA or the middle line. Now I can say, oh, it's a buy market. Now I can buy. Now you can buy here. Here you can sell here. If the market may touch the lower band. Guys, is this strategy clear and forward? Is this strategy clear for you to understand? Yeah, someone to confirm to me in the comments. Someone to confirm to you in the comments. Maybe if this thing is if you're getting this thing. I think, guys, yeah, confirm to me if you're getting this thing. It's very, very easy, guys. For you to understand this, like, up to me, the 13 EMA, we're just using the middle line. This middle line is very important. Maybe I can show you. So, like, right now here, can someone tell me in the comments, like, right now, the market has, let me make these bands to be a bit clear. So if you want your band to be a bit clear, you go to settings here, you can see. Just go to settings here, guys. Then I want this, that can increase the bands a bit big. The upper and the lower band a bit bigger kiasi. Now it's a bit clear. That true, guys? Now it's clear. So currently I am waiting for this candle to go down like this. Boom, 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 boom. Then here, close. So then anasema like, oh, now I can sell. No, guys. So first confirmation, the market, it has given me a confirmation first. What was my first confirmation? My first confirmation is the market, it has touched the upper band. I think, guys, confirm the market has touched the upper band. You see, the market has touched the upper band. What is my next confirmation? My next confirmation, for me to enter sell, I need to wait for this market to close below the 20 MA. Now I can say I can sell. I together, guys, up to that point. Like very, very simple strategy, guys. Like it's very, very simple strategy, which you can do it Monday to Friday. Like Monday to Friday without changing the strategy. Okay. Let me show you some part of the example part of it. Let me just even this one. Maybe I can show you this one. I think this trade, this trade, I got this trade on Friday. Sikufanya live. I didn't do a live on Friday. Yeah, I didn't do a live on Friday, but I think I'll be doing the live on Fridays even, yeah, so that you guys can get the interest. So on Friday, see what happened. So guys, I'm trading only the yellow part. I am trading only the yellow part. Are you together, guys? I am trading only the yellow part. So this blue part here is the Asian market. The blue part is the Asian market. The yellow part here is where I am interested. Is the London market. So right now, guys, we are trading London. We are not trading Asia market. Asia is closed. Yeah, already right now, Asia is closed. Yeah, already right now, Asia is closed. Now we are focused. We are thinking of London. That's why we are trading London. Pound US. You can see I'm trading pound dollar. You see, I'm trading GPP. You can see here. I am trading GBP USD, which is pound dollar. Okay. So on Friday, I was able to get this entry. So number one, I needed for the market to touch the upper band. See here. Yeah, that was my first confirmation, guys. Like that was my first confirmation. I needed for the market to touch my upper band so that I can see where the institution. So this Bollinger Band, like Bollinger Band in Atumianga, mostly I've seen professional traders use Bollinger Band because now they understand about the volatility. Yo, so this one is kind of same like liquidity sweep. I've told you about liquidity sweep, guys. It's kind of the same as liquidity sweep. Kind of the same. Like if you do 20 trades, 16 trades, same like liquidity sweep. Yeah, 16 trades, same like liquidity sweep. Same trades, yeah. So we can say we are just trading liquidity sweep. So here on Friday, you can see the market was able to touch my upper band here, and I needed for the confirmation here. Then boom, the market touched the upper band. Then what next? Candle to close below the middle line, and you can see. Maybe I can zoom kiasi so that you can see. I think market may close below. No, may close up. Are you together at that point? Maybe I can zoom kidogo. I think body may close below the 20 MA. I think. Then it gave me confidence. Now I'm looking to sell. Then Christina may ask question. Like, very clear. How do we set SL and TP? So SL you set penye break, the highest point kwa Bollinger Band penye imetouch hapa. So hapo na set nini? You set a stop loss. The upper band. So on the upper band, kwa hiyo week on the upper band, that's when you set a stop loss. On the lower band, that's when you set your stop loss. Are you together, guys? Yeah, very simple and clear. Very simple and clear strategy. Like, you don't need to complicate things. As the market touches the upper band, yes. Confirmation entry below the middle line. Just simple like that. So here, what I did, si ndio ilikuwa entry yangu guys. Are you together, guys? Si ndio ilikuwa my entry. This was my entry, guys, on Friday. So my entry was here. I don't know, maybe I can put different color so that it can differentiate between the colors. Maybe I can use a different color. Which color maybe can I use? Maybe a blue one, but it's gonna confuse with let me just use a different color. Can I use a black one? Maybe I can use a black one. Yes, I think it's clear. So that candle was my entry. My stop loss was this high. Are you getting, guys? That was my... So stop loss ilikuwa ngapi? Stop loss from here to here. How many pips? 15 pips. Sindo, guys? It was 15 pips, guys. It was exactly 15 pips. Then make sure you target times 2 of your stop loss. Always target times 2 of your stop loss. Are you getting, guys? Like, always target times 2 of your stop loss. So this one, mine was 15 pips. I think 15 pips. So I need to target how many pips? I need to target 30 pips. 30 pips. Silifika tip yangu. Naona tu. Yeah. The market was able to touch my TP. My TP is here. So here is 30 pips, guys. Evo too. I think just simple like that. Then again, the market was able to touch the lower band. I think the lower band here. So ukiingia lower band hapo, usiingie buy hapa. Usiingie instantly buy. Don't enter buy instantly here. Wait again for the market to go. Then boom! You can see, guys, what was your entry here? Candle closed above the 20 MA. Are you getting, guys? Like, just that simple. Just that simple. But you can't win every day. You can't win every day. But what you do is, just improve on your risk management, on your, like, the most important thing when you're like, which you can do, guys, is just to improve on your risk management. If you have an $100 account, take this one trade and risk $6 and target $12. Then repeat it Monday to Friday, 1st to 30th. After 30 days, you will discover like your account will have grown. Because now you're improving with risk management. I think, guys, like, you're trading with risk management. Like, you're not gambling again. you are following a plan, unaona. So naona kama hii ilikuja ikahit chip yangu, though sikuingia this one, though I didn't enter this buy because already ilikuwa Friday, then already nimemake profit moja hapa. I've already made this profit ya buy. So if I could decide again to enter buy hapa, nikaingia. But I have a rule of trading one setup a day, one trade per day, no. So like my rule was trading one trade a day. I think guys, like that was the rule, yeah, like trade one trade a day. So that because ningechukua hii, maybe inge affect my risk management, and my risk management maybe in a day I want to risk only 1% of my account. So if I take this one again, then I have broken my rules of risking 2%, and it was 1%. Yeah, so so it's your own choice, guys. You can choose to risk 2% of your account or 1% of your account. Yeah, but because for me I'm trading Profam, so Profam na risk 1%. No, my maximum risk yangu per day kwa Profam, I'm risking 1%. So so yeah, so that's why unapata I don't overtrade. Haya, Clinton Okoth, what's the appropriate win rate for this strategy, which is R1 to 2? So win rate ni 52%. 52%, yeah, 52%. That is the win rate. So win rate is 52%. So guys, 52%, you are a very profitable trader. You don't need, see, it's 50-50, and you're risking 1 to get 2, and win rate is 52%. So to me, in long term, you're gonna make money. I get, guys, like long term you're gonna make money. Yeah, long term you're gonna make money. So here I'm just waiting the same thing here. I think, yeah. So sometimes it needs patience. You can wait. Sometimes you can give up waiting. Yeah, for me, yeah, I'm good on that. I need to wait. No. So I need to wait. So he always rush. This one you can't rush. Look, let me. No, you can't rush this one. This one you need to wait. No, guys. This one, like, imagine you need to wait for the market to close below the 20 MA so you can enter. So guys, so this tells you this strategy needs a lot of patience. It needs a lot of patience. No. Bro, sasa ningekuwa nimemwambia like from here, enter sell, see, ningekuwa umetrapiwa. But I needed more confirmation below the 20 MA so that we can sell. No, guys. You see the way it is, guys? Like, I needed more confirmation so that I can sell. And that's how you trade that strategy, guys. Okay, another question, guys. Maybe in the comments. Yeah, help me like the live. Help me guys to like the live so that can reach so many people, guys, to come to a live. Yeah, another question, guys. Another question, guys. Another question. Let me see another question, guys. Yeah, if you have a question, guys, you can just type on the comments. Then I'm gonna answer you. Okay, so if there's no other question, guys, let me show you guys how to trade trend lines. Yeah, because I normally use this one and trend lines, most of it. Okay, let's dive in, guys. So as we wait for this one to come to here, let's go to check. Let's check trend lines. Maybe check today's market. So maybe I can remove all this. So first, guys, so as we wait for this one, guys, maybe I can be showing you something different. So I want you guys to show you guys how to draw a trend line. I think so. I've removed all the indicators. I want us to know how to trade. So what I need to let me remove all this, even the session. So I want to show you guys how to draw a trend line from scratch. Someone who is learning from scratch how to draw a trend line. First point, guys, you need to go to a higher time frame. Just go to H4. Yeah, check on H4, like what's happening on H4 time frame. I can check. Then you can maybe zoom out like that. So these points are my area of interest. I think these points. So I can draw a trend line like this. I think, I think we are having a trade, and also our strategy is following very, very well for Bollinger Band. Are you getting, guys? So this was our touch one here up. Then our touch two where, guys? Our touch three where? So these are GBPUSD, guys, for those who are looking. So these are GBPUSD market, guys. These are GBPUSD market, which we are trying to analyze right now. Then currently, oh, just a minute, guys. All right, it's okay right now. So right now, what's happening here? What's happening here right now? So here, I'm expecting a downtrend market. Currently, right now, I'm expecting a downtrend market. So if this market is going to go down like this, to mean also on the trend line part, on the Bollinger Band, it's going to cross below the Bollinger Band. No, guys, it's going to cross below the Bollinger Band. So this movement is going to be a very good sell. I think. So that's why I was telling you, like Bollinger Band gives you a confirmation. Yeah. Inatumia mostly na the hedge funds. You see? So right now here, and also here you can look for a swing trade. If the market is going to close here with a bearish engulfing here, if the market is going to close here with a bearish engulfing here, you don't hesitate to enter a swing trade. Yeah, don't hesitate to enter a swing trade. You close, because you can just imagine I'm using a H4 time frame. So no, guys, I am using a H4 time frame. So don't hesitate to enter a swing trade. Yeah, either itakuwa ni swing trade. So this one will be a swing trade. You're gonna be holding this for the next maybe 2 weeks from now. Yeah, so my strategy, I always analyze using trend lines and Bollinger Bands. Those are my top-notch strategies. Yeah. Yeah, so maybe, yeah, guys. So here we are focusing on, and also you can draw, guys. If you have this platform, you can draw on your own, guys, and you can be waiting. If you have the trading view platform, you can just draw and then wait. Yeah, just draw and wait. Yeah, if you have the platform of trading view, you can just draw and wait. Yeah, draw and wait for the market to touch this region, then you, yeah, then sell it, guys. Okay, on the comments, guys, tell me which market can we analyze together again? As I go to Nasdaq, I don't know how many are trading Nasdaq from this meeting. Yeah, on my live here, how many are trading Nasdaq? How many have ever traded Nasdaq? Nasdaq 100. It's a very volatile asset. Yeah, don't try with a small account. Yeah, don't try with a small account. Yeah, the minimum you can trade in Nasdaq inakuanga ni $100. The minimum stop loss you can set on Nasdaq is at most $100. So let me go to 15 minutes time frame. Imebuy jana, Nasdaq imebuy sana. Nasdaq jana imebuy sana. See what is happening here. Acha ni zoom kidogo so that it can be clear. I think that market imetouch wapi? The lower band. Na ika spike poop, though ikufika, I think ilifika TP, your TP ime close above, naona. Then all of a sudden ika touch the upper band. Then the market starts going down again. So what does this tells you? It tells you like this band, this bands really forms a very important level in the market. The lower band and the upper band really forms a very, very important level in the market. No. Angalia kama hapa New York. So mtu ambaye mmoja kutrade New York hapa. Hey, si New York hapa. Mmoja si ini New York, hapa ni New York time. So market hapa ilikuja ikatouch the lower band kwanza. Ikitouch the lower band, the market usually go up very fast. And then goes again to the upper band again. I think here, guys. So those levels are very, very important. Hata mtu mnyangeingia hapa, someone could have entered maybe hapa, will touch the upper band TF. Yeah, angekuwa amerepa a lot of profits, unaona. And also here. But for me, guys, I wanted a more confirmation. So that's why I always insist, like, wait for the market to close below the 20 MA so that you can enter sell. I don't get that, guys. But you can't win every day. So na kuna hii siku zina lose kama hapa zina lose. Unaona kama hii siku zina una touch then market ina close below then kumbe ilikuwa bounce. Iki lose ujue market ime bounce kwa 13 ndio iende. Yeah, uki lose to trade unajuanga hivyo. Angalia kama hii. Hebu niambie this one, guys. This one, could you have traded this one a good? And this is Nasdaq. This one I'm trading Nasdaq. So to me, this strategy in apply for all instruments. It applies on all instruments. You see, this is Nasdaq market. Then, boom, you can see here. The market which can touch the lower band. Then you can remember like, oh, now I am looking for buy market. Now I am looking for a buy market. See what happened? Then, boom, the market closed above the middle line. Then stop loss below here. Then target 1 to 2. Na ufunge story hivyo. Then again, the market came again to New York. Gave you entry again in New York. No. Ikitouch the upper band, market in reverse. Ebu try to backtest on your own. If the market touches the lower band in a reverse, most of the times in a reverse, like 60% of the time in a reverse. So that's why I'm really interested with this strategy because of the upper band and the lower band. You see, guys? So like today, what's happening today? So like come up a little today. So if you are trading Nasdaq today, ukiingia sell hapo uko trapped already. Ngojea tu market kuje close wapi? Below the 20 EMA, guys. So guys, if your first time to guys, if for example it's your first time, guys, yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so that you can be getting these videos. Yeah, even guys, for example, if you miss a session, guys, you can come back to my live and also you can get this recorded. So this session is recorded, guys. This session is recorded. So that's why I wanted to do live session on YouTube because already recorded, guys. You know, but sometimes wanakuambia, have you recorded the session? Namwambia like I've not recorded the session on TikTok. but no, like I can refer someone to view the videos on the YouTube. Yeah, yeah. Actually, my intention to do the YouTube, it was to for recorded videos only. Yeah, I just wanted to do the recorded videos. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So that you can come back again to review the videos, or someone maybe I may miss the setup, I may miss the session. He or she can come back and view the session again from a fresh back mission. Yeah, guys. Yeah, so guys, we are remaining with 5 minutes, guys. We are remaining with 5 minutes before we call it a session. So something in our chat, guys, need this one. This one for yeah. So guys, no, at least so we can just be here for maybe 3 hours waiting for the session for the setup. It's okay, so no, because the market the setup can occur maybe at 3 a.m. 3 p.m. Naona hatuwezi kaa for that long kungoja the setup. So that's why I just want to give you the entries. Naona here guys. So here so that guys you can be waiting here on your side. Naona guys, so that also you can be waiting on your side for the entries. So hapa tumesema guys aje as we finish our session guys, ndio. So we're gonna be doing this session guys every day during the session guys. Joining the session every day, guys, at 6 a.m. Not 6 a.m., 10 a.m., guys. We're gonna be doing this. Sometimes the market can give us entry mapema. We can live trade together. We can enter together. Sometimes I can just give you a hint so that you can be waiting also. I think, guys. So here, guys. So if you have a Bollinger Band, just wait for the market to close below here. Now ingie sell. Hivyo tu. Yeah, just be waiting. Stop loss unaweka pale juu. Stop loss, make sure una set hapa juu guys. Are you together guys? Yeah, stop loss una set pale juu. Yeah, maybe a question before we call it a session guys. Yeah, we'll be doing from 10 to 11 only. Yeah, 10 to 11 session guys. Yeah, a question guys. Yeah, tell me where are you watching us from guys? Yeah, just tell me your town guys. Tell me your town guys. Where are you watching us from? Yeah, are you together, guys? Yeah, can we call it a day? Can we call it a day, guys? Can we call it a day? Can we call it a day, guys? Is there someone in the question? I think everyone is okay, guys. No, I think everyone is okay. So tumesema swing trade, guys. Swing trade, ngojea market touch the trend line. It confirm with a bearish candle, bearish engulfing. You can enter swing trade. So go to H4, draw a trend line as we are drawn. Wait for the candle to close the bearish engulfing there, then enter sell. Here unaweza fanya swing trade, but on H4. So guys, how was the session, guys? How was the session, guys? Can someone confirm? Can someone maybe comment to me, guys? How was the session, guys? Like, was it helpful? Or maybe my audio was not clear, or the video was not clear. Yeah, confirm to me, guys. How was the session, guys? Yeah, one person to confirm so that we can call it a session, guys. Just one person to confirm. One person to confirm, guys, so that we can call it a session. Yeah, how was the session? Just say maybe it was nice, it was clear, maybe, so that I can know maybe next time where to improve, guys. So that I can know where next time to improve, guys. Yes, guys. Yeah, I'm waiting for one person to comment something, guys. I'm waiting for one person to comment so that I can know where to improve next time, guys. Or where can I improve next time? Yes, guys. So we are waiting. So even tomorrow mtanipata hiyo 1 a.m. kwa live. Yeah. Yeah. I've never gone live here 1 a.m. but I'll try tomorrow but this 10 a.m. I'll be consistent every day, guys. I'll be consistent every day. Yeah, every day I'll be consistent to do at 10 a.m. So you'll find me 10 a.m. You'll find me every day from this. Yeah, Bolaji anasema good but improve on screen sharing orientation. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'll try to improve on that. Okay, guys. So see you guys. Bye, guys. See you guys. Bye. See you guys. Bye. See you guys.